Jai Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Radha Madhava Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivara Dhari Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivara Dhari Yashodanandana Brajaganarandana Yashodanandana Brajaganarandana Jamuna Tira Vanachari Yamuna Tira Vanachari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivara Dhari Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivara Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivara Dhari Girivara Yashodanandana Brajaganarandana Yashodanandana Brajaganarandana Jamuna Tira Vanachari Yamuna Tira Vanachari Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Rama Hare Rama Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Parivrajakacharya Stotra Satta Sri Srimad His Divine Grace Srila Bhoj Charanaravinda Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada Ki Ananta Koti Vaishnava Vrinda Ki Skandaviti Founder Acharya's Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada Ki Namacharya Srila Haridas Thakur Ki Prem Srila Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Sivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Ki Sri Sri Radha Krishna Gopa Gopinath Shamakunda Radha Kunda Giri Govardhana Ki Sri Vrindavan Mathura Dhama Ki Sri Dwarka Dhama Ki Sri Jagannath Puri Dhama Ki Sri Navadvip Mayapur Dhama Ki Sri Mayapur Chandradaya Mandir Ki Ganga Mayi Jamurmayi Ki Tulsi Devi Bhakti Devi Ki Harinam Sankirtan Ki Samaveta Bhakti Vrinda Ki Transcendental Book Distribution Ki Jai Sri Ornitai Ki Jai Sri Jagannath Baladevi Subhadra Devi Ki Jai Sri Krishna Balarama Ki Jai Sri Giri Govardhana Ki Jai Sri Radha Madhava Ki Jai Nitai Gaura Premanande. All glories to the assembled devotees, all glories to the assembled devotees, all glories to Sri Guru and to Sri Gauranga, all glories to Srila Prabhupada Ki. Modern technology. Yeah. Advanced technology. Om Agyanatimirandasya Gyananjana Shalakaya Takshurandalitam Jena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha Sri Chaitanya Manobhistam Stapitam Jena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Sri Gurun Vaisnavam Scha Sri Rupam Sagradatam Sahagana Raghunatam Vitam Tvam Sajivam Sadvaitam Sadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padam Sahagana Lalita Sri Visakam Vitam Hey Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanusute Devi Pranamami Haripriye Vanchakalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhubhya eva cha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudiraye. Before reciting the Srimad Bhagavatam, which is our very means of conquest, let us first offer our respectful obeisances unto Narayana, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, unto Nara, Narayana Rishi, the supremmost human being, unto Mother Saraswati, the goddess of learning, and unto Srila Vyasadeva, the author. Nasta prayesha badreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Tamasloke Bhaktir Bhavati Naistiki. By regularly hearing the Srimad Bhagavatam and by rendering a service unto the true devotee, all that is troublesome within the heart becomes destroyed or practically to nil, and a loving devotional service unto the Supreme Lord, whose praise with transcendental songs becomes established as an irrevocable fact. Idam Bhagavatam Nama Puranam Brahma Samhitam Uttama Shloka Charitam Chakara Bhagavan Rishi Nishreya Sayalokasya Dhanyam Swasyayanam Mahat. The Srimad Bhagavatam, known as the Grantaraj, the king of all Vedic literatures, is the literary incarnation of God. It is compiled by the incarnation of God, the Srila Vyasadeva. It is meant for the ultimate good of all people. It is all successful, all blissful, and all perfect. Sri Krishna Chaitanya, Prabhu Nityananda, Sri Advaita Gadadhara, Srivasadi Gauda Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Sarabhyai Namaha. Om Sarabhyai Namaha. Om Sarabhyai Namaha. Mukam karoti vachalam pangum langayate girim yakripa tamaham bande Sri Gurum Dinataranam. Yakripa tamaham bande Sri Gurum Dinataranam. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Welcome to our morning Srimad Bhagavatam class, which we are having here in Kamyavan. ISKCON Sadashivpet, correct? Got it? Yes.
ISKCON Sadashivpet, Kamyavanamlo, Prastham Aham Namo.
in the wonderful state of Telangana, which is still having many villages where devotees can go and introduce the holy name. Some of those people from villages, well, now we call them devotees, they were here yesterday when we arrived, and now I don't know how many, but gradually more and more are chanting Hare Krishna, even some, I think, 16 rounds possibly. 40? Wow, okay. That's the village where you had introduced or gifted, I think, Srimad Bhagavatam set and begun Bhaktivedanta Library. Yes. So if we do that in every village, that means over 600,000 villages times 40. Many devotees will come. India has over 600,000, 6 lakh villages. If in every village we introduce Bhaktivedanta Library and the Srimad Bhagavatam set, then very soon in every village there will be at least 40 people chanting Hare Krishna. That is the meaning of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's prediction, every town and village. Yes. It's nice to see some of our younger generation playing very nicely Mridanga. I have a question. How many have learned to play the flute yet? Anyone? That's it. Next time, next Bhagavatam class, you have to bring your flute. If it's here. Where is your flute? Ask him, where is the flute? Here. Okay. Next time around. So we are reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, canto number, when I travel, I jump from one canto to another now. Canto number 4, chapter 30, entitled The Activities of the Prachetas. 8. This is ongoing reading, or this is a chosen text? Chosen text for this morning, yes. And it's on the board for those who would like to follow. I believe, right? Sri Bhagavan Uvacha Varam Vrinidvam Bhadram Vo Yuyam Me Nripa Nandanaha Sohardena Prithag Dharmas Tusto Ham Soridena Vaha Sri Bhagavan Uvacha Varam Vrinidvam Bhadram Vo Yuyam Me Nripanandanaha Sohardena Prithag Dharmas Tusto Ham Soridena Vaha Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Varam Vrinidvam Bhadram Vo Yuyam Me Nripanandanaha Sohadena Prithag Dharmas Tustoham Soridena Vaha Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Varam Vrinidvam Bhadram Vo Yuyam Me Nripanandanaha Swahadena Prithag Dharmas Tustoham Soridena Vaha Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Varam Vrinidvam Bhadram Vo Yuyam Me Nripanandanaha Sohadena Prithag Dharmas Tustoham Soridena Vaha Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Varam Vrindavam Bhadram Vo Yuyam Me Rupanandanaha Sauhardena Pruthak Dharmas Tustoham Sukhudena Vaha Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Varam Vrinidvam Bhadram Vo Yuyam Me Nripanandanaha Sauhardena Prithak Dharmas Tustoham Sahridena Vaha Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Varam Vrinidvam Bhadram Vo Yuyam Me Nripanandanaha Sauhardena Prithak Dharmas Tustoham Sahridena Vaha Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Varam Vrinidvam Bhadram Vo Yuyam Me Nripanandanaha Sauhardena Prithak Dharmas Tustoham Sahridena Vaha Ladies, Mataji.
Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Varam Vrinidvam Bhadram Vo Yuyam Me Rupanandanaha Sauhardena Prithak Dharmas Tustoham Sahridena Vaha
Shri Bhagavan Uvacha The Supreme Personality of Godhead said. So everyone should try to repeat the English even if you don't understand one word of English. Yeah. By hearing and repeating, even if we don't understand, gradually we will learn.
సో మీకు ఇంగ్లీష్ అర్థం కాకపోయినా అంటూ ఉండగా మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోగలుగుతారు.
Yes, that is how we learn Sanskrit also.
అలాగే సంస్కృతం కూడా నేర్చుకోవచ్చు.
Varam, benediction.
వరము,
Vrinidvam, ask.
అడుగుడు,
Bhadram,
భద్రం,
good fortune.
గుడ్ ఫార్చ్యూన్, శుభమగు గాక.
Vaha, of you.
మీకు,
Yuyam,
యూయం,
you.
మీరు,
May,
మే,
from me.
ఫ్రమ్ మీ, నా నుండి.